are as wet as a warthog's backside. But thick as you are, pay attention. My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expression, the lights are not all on upstairs. But we are talking kings and successions. Even you caught unawares. Tiptoeing nearer.
And where do we feature?
Just listen to teacher. I know it sounds sordid, but you'll be rewarded when at last I am justice deliciously square.
Yeah, be prepared. We'll be prepared. For what? Why, is he sick?
No, fool, we're gonna kill him. And Simba, too.
Great idea! Who needs a king?
No king, no king, la 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 la. Hey, but you said...
Long live the king!
Shut up. Can't help it. I'm so hungry. I gotta have a wildebeest.
Stay put.
Can I just pick off one of the little sick ones?
No. We wait for the signal from Scar.
Let's go.
Kill him.
Hey, so go get him.
There ain't no way I'm going in there. But you want me to come out looking like you? Cactus butt?
But we gotta finish the job.
Oh, he's as good as dead out there anyway. And if he comes back, we'll kill him.
Yeah! You hear that? If you ever come back, we'll kill ya! We got a bone to pick with you.
I'll handle this. Scar, there's no food, no water.
Yeah, it's dinner time, and we ain't got no stinking entrees. They won't go hunt.
All you need is a little garlic.
I thought things were bad under Mufasa.
I said I said, que pasa? Yeah, but we're still hungry.
Ouch! Give me that.
Please don't eat me.
Hey, who's the pig? Uh-oh, they called him a pig.
Take that, you stupid! Take that! And that! Baby!
Who are the real enemy? It was their fault. It was their idea.
Friends? I thought he said we were the enemy.
Yeah. Ed?